Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and it is cold outside. I went and got my spring-colored hoodie so I can open Easter. Last year, Cynthia from Ambrosia's Dollhouse and I participated in an Easter gift exchange. And that's how I got to know Cynthia, was through that gift exchange. So this year we decided to exchange gifts again for Easter. And I have my package here. I am so glad I got to know Cynthia. If you are not I don't think I said her channel name. Her channel name is Ambrosia's Dollhouse.
You did say it.
Did I say it? Okay. Anyway, I have the link in my title, and you should go by and see her dolls. Oh, she has nice dolls. Cynthia and I have quite a bit in common, actually. She and I both, now Darren and I don't have farm animals like we used to, but we both live on farms, and that's just the beginning of it. Oh my God, wait till you see what's in here. You're just gonna go nuts. So this is from Cynthia, and we are commemorating meeting one another, or getting to know one another better on YouTube. And this is unbelievable. Look how she has this wrapped. Oh gosh. I sent her something and it's not wrapped as pretty. My wrapping is, okay, it's not wrapping.
Spartan.
Not wrapping. Happy Easter. There's even a card. I didn't put a card in. I'm not that tight. Cynthia does all the fancy stuff. She has cute settings for her dolls. She makes items for them. It's a fun channel. Cynthia also participates in a lot of collabs and challenges. Well, this will make Darren happy. We use pencils. I do it with most of my patterns and stuff. Don't you use it for like construction and different things?
I'm always looking for a pencil.
Yeah,
here.
we're always looking for pencils, so that's fun. That's really fun. Good morning, Marna and Darren. I would just like to thank you for being such a bright spot in the community. It has been such a pleasure getting to know you all through the past year. Although we live so far apart, it is like we are neighbors. I hope you will enjoy this hug in a box. Sincerely, Cynthia. And it's got a little Happy Easter bunny on there. Isn't that cute?
Very cute.
This is Cynthia. She does things fancy. She's just, oh, this is so fun. I am so glad we did this. Oh, I kind of ripped it, but, ooh, what do we, ooh, there's a lot in here. We save this. Oh my goodness, Cynthia. Oh my goodness. Oh, wow. You know, my dolls have beds, but I don't have them put together. Look at this. Oh, Cynthia. Look at this bed cover. And look, oh gosh, and this pillow. Oh, that is fantastic. And look, oh, wow. Cynthia, your sewing skills are really nice. I think Cynthia sews by hand. Look at this outfit. Is that not adorable? And the little bitty buttons. Oh, that is so cute. We're going to have to get a girl and get her dressed. We did decide, we talked about different dolls, and we decided since last year we did Blythe dolls, we would do Blythe dolls again. Oh, Cynthia, you went over the top. Isn't that adorable? Oh, I love it. Wait, there's more, there's more, there's more. Oh my God, I just saw something laying here on the counter. I can't even believe. Look at that skirt. She did the double channel so that it has the top. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, Cynthia, that is adorable. I love that. Oh, let me turn that this way. Look at this. Oh my goodness, Cynthia. This was too much. The rest, oh my God. Look at this, Darren. Look at this. It's our favorite with almonds. That is our favorite thing. And I always sit down after lunch. I like to have like some chocolate. And lunch is our big meal here. And I always get like 2 or 3 of these out and think, you know, I'm just going to have a couple. And then pretty soon I'm hiding the wrappers from myself because I don't even want to know how many I've eaten. She made this little basket, which could double as a little purse. Oh my God, this is so cute. I got caught on the tape. Look at this, and it matches. Cynthia, this is unbelievable. Look at these little eggs. Oh, there's more in here too. There's more of these little darling little eggs. They're all different colors. I've not seen these. I have the other type. They're bigger when they're plastic, or they're, oh, what do you call it? Frocked. I love these. I love, love, love these. Let me get a couple girls, and get them dressed. Cynthia, you went overboard. Talk about a hug in a box. This is a bear hug in a box. I put that shirt on backwards because I like it backwards, but I wanted to show off the pant. I had her hold the panel up. Cynthia even has the sides all, there's a slit in the side, and the fabric's all, oh, it's gorgeous, just gorgeous. And Opal has her little Easter, I'm going to call it an Easter tote. That is, I love that. And Gothia has on a little outfit, and she's taking a nap on this cozy, cozy little blanket and pillow. I cannot thank you enough. And what happened here, Darren?
I don't know anything about it.
Well, I don't either. I mean, I really
Go
don't.
ahead. Try and pull a fingerprint.
Happy Easter, everybody. Thank you so much, Cynthia. I just cannot thank you enough. I love this stuff. Please go by and see Cynthia's channel and what I might have sent her. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. I want to take a second and say, in all sincerity, it is such a pleasure to get to know the other doll collectors. Take the time. You know, start talking in the comments. That's where it all begins. Leave comments. Start conversations within the comments. If you see a comment you agree with or you'd like to make a reply on, we would love for you to do that. Interact in our comments. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.